Steve Reckner with Reckner Certified Home Inspections, and it is a beautiful Friday afternoon, and I just got done doing both my inspections today, and finally have a few minutes to get some stuff done around my house. And here is something that has been bugging me for quite a long time. It's less than 10 feet away from me right now. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Be right back. Okay guys, here we are, we're back, and we're up inside the garage now. And here you can see I just have a normal unit like most people. It happens to be a Chamberlain. I don't think it was purchased at Home Depot though. I think I got it through the guy that does my garage door openers. But here's the little culprit. This little transmission antenna wire. And the majority of the problem is around the door, the wall that's over here is brick on the front of my house, and the door is made of metal. Now that's not supposed to matter, but obviously you could see I was having issues. So let me show you how to fix that. And we're gonna start by splicing a little bit of this wire, and then I'm gonna show you what to do on the ground. Okay guys, now let me show you what we're up to. So I went to Home Depot, and all you need to do is get some of this, about $16 for 65 feet of bell wire. And it does, as you can see, it's red and white, and it's twisted together. So it does take a hot minute, but you need to cut off about 10, 12, 15 feet, depending on your garage. And then undo it so you just have a single strand. Take your good old trusty knife and cut the tip off. There we go. There we go. And then just get it there. And now we're just gonna go back over to where we were, and we're gonna tie them together and wrap them up with some electrical tape, and then staple it to the ceiling. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, and before you get carried away, step number one, make sure you check your battery and change it out, because lithium ones last way longer than the old ones. And if some of you have been at your house 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15 years, those batteries are probably gone bad. So what you need to do is go get yourself a new lithium ion. The majority of the ones that are for our garage door openers are the CR2032. And so you can see here, you just pop it right in there like that. Boom. And then you just got to make sure we're putting together the opener back the right way. I can hear it from here. It's working. So let's see how far we can get away from the house, and then I'll show you the final install. Guys, so here's what we did. You can see over there, I attached the antenna up there, and then it just gets strung all the way through the wiring here and over to here, and then I just leave this big antenna up here. And next I will show you how it works. All right guys, so the project's all done, the wiring's all run. Had a bunch of stuff to take care of for a lot of my realtors today, so I had to postpone the end of the video. But here's what I call a huge payoff, because now you can see how far away I am from the house, and it works. And I'm like, whew, I don't know, 30, 40 yards away from the house. And so now it works. That is so awesome. So thank you all for watching. See you on our next house inspection.